Are you running some sweet or a bakery business? And to generate these leads, you have created a Facebook lead ad form. Now, my question is, how and where do you manage these leads? Are you still manually exporting the leads on the daily basis and adding to your Google Sheets again and again? Well, you are wasting your crucial time. So in this video, I'll show you whenever a new lead is arrived from your Facebook lead ad form, how to instantly and automatically add those leads to your Google Sheet. And now you can share the access of the spreadsheet with all your team members so that they can easily keep a track record of all the incoming leads. Further, they can also start following up these leads and try to convert these leads at their best. You do not even have to share the access of your main Facebook account. Sounds interesting, right? Want to learn how you can also start collecting your leads directly to your Google Sheets? Well, come with me and I will show you everything step by step. So first of all, you will have to build a connection, build an integration in your Facebook lead ad application and in this Google Sheets application. And I am going to build this connection with the help of Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing integration and automation software. I am an existing user of Pabbly Connect, so I am already logged in here. You can create your free account in Pabbly Connect in just 2 minutes from the sign up free button, and in the free account you will also get free tasks to test these kind of amazing automation. Now once you will log in and reach out to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, click on this blue button that is create workflow and firstly provide a name to your workflow. Okay, I am providing a random name, something like add Facebook leads of sweet business to Google Sheets. So basically I have directly pasted this name. Now I will select the folder. So I want to create my automation workflow in this specific folder, so I have selected the same. Now simply clicking on create, and after that you will find 2 boxes. So these boxes are called as trigger and action, and here the trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So whenever something happen in the first application, then automatically do this in the next application. Okay, so in this way you need to always choose your applications in your trigger and the action window in which you are building an automation. Okay, so according to our use case, we want that whenever any new lead is arrived from your Facebook lead ads application, then instantly add that lead to your Google Sheets application. Okay, so in this way I am going to select both the application in this trigger and the action window. Okay, and now the idea here is, firstly I will connect to Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect and will capture all the leads here, and then I will connect to Pabbly Connect with Google Sheet and will send the lead data here. Okay, so let us connect to Facebook lead ad with the Pabbly Connect. So firstly I will select the trigger event, that is new lead instant. Okay, and after that I'll be clicking on connect, then clicking on add a new connection, clicking on connect with Facebook lead ad, and now it will ask you the access of your Facebook account. But because I'm already logged in my Facebook account, so instead of asking me for the access, it has asked me for the permission, so I have provided it. The authorization is successful and my Facebook account is connected with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, and because we are connected here, you can notice whatever the pages are available inside my Facebook account have started visible here. Okay, so I can even show you the same thing. Currently I am visiting the Facebook pages section of my account, and here you will notice lot of pages are already created and all these pages are visible here inside the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now I'm going to select which particular page. Okay, so I have created this random Kesar Sweets. The name of my page is Kesar Sweets. You will have to assume that I'm running some sweet or a bakery business. Okay, so let me search for the same page here, that is sweets. All right, it is the same page, and as soon as I select the page here, whatever the lead generation form are available inside my page will start visible here. Okay, so I'll show you the same. Well, this is my Facebook page. Clicking on this Meta Business Suite, after that I'll directly clicking on all tool section from the left hand side, and finally instant form option will appear at the last. Okay, so here you will notice one lead ad form is already created, that is sweets brochure form. Let me show you the preview of this form. Okay, so this is the name of the form. Okay, let me click on this next or this arrow button. Here I'm collecting only the basic information like the email, full name and phone number, because my objective is just to show you how connections can be made. Now again, it is completely up to you what information you would like to collect from Facebook lead ad and add to Google Sheets. Okay, so let's move further, and this was my form. Currently I'm going to close this page because I have already opened this Facebook lead ad form. Now how, from where I have opened this form? Okay, so first of all you will have to read these instructions carefully, and also I would like to recommend you to visit this documentation because every instruction is provided here. And because I'm not running any live Facebook ads, I'm going to make use of testing tool, that is Facebook lead ad testing tool. Okay, so let me show you the link of that Facebook lead ad testing tool. Okay, so again I'm telling you that I will use this lead ad testing tool in order to generate a dummy lead. Okay, as soon as I click on this button, you will notice that it will start waiting for the webhook response. Okay, you can also read the instructions. It is saying that now log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do a test submission or record so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. Okay, so basically it is asking to do a test submission or record, and here the test submission means new lead instantly creating in Facebook lead ad. Okay, so again, in order to generate this new lead, I will use this lead ad testing tool because I'm not running any live Facebook ads. Okay, so let me first of all search for my page name, that was Kesar Sweets, and here you will also find both the forms. Well, I have a single form only, so now I will directly click on this preview form button, and in this way the form will open up. Okay, now here I will provide some details. Okay, so instead of dummy I will provide some other value. Okay, demo user 123. Okay, and here also I'll change the name as demo user. Further, I will also change the phone number something like 99999999999. Okay, again I am using only the dummy details. Now clicking on next, and as soon as I will submit this Facebook lead ad form, you will notice that the response will be received here, and here you can notice, well, the response is already received. Now I'll show you the details one by one. Okay, so here we have the same email address, the same full name, the same phone number. We also have the time of submission. Okay, so the presence of this data clearly shows that the connection in between Facebook lead ad form and Pabbly Connect is working absolutely fine. Okay, so now onwards what will happen, every time a new lead is arrived from your Facebook lead ad form, specifically from this particular form, the details of that lead will be captured via Pabbly Connect instantly, because this trigger will instantly capture new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. Okay, so in this way the first step of our automation is done. Now moving further, I am going to send this lead data to my Google Sheets, that too automatically. So the application is already selected. Now I'll select the action event, that is add new row. Yes, first of all a new row will be added, and in that new row the data will be updated. Clicking on this button, and if you are connecting your Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect for the first time, you will have to provide the access of your Google account. Okay, because I have built this connection so many times, so I will reuse those existing connection. Clicking on save, and this is how my Facebook account, I'm really sorry, this is how my Google Sheets account will be immediately connected with the Pabbly Connect. And because we are connected, here you can notice whatever the spreadsheets are available inside my Google Sheets account have started visible here, and this is the spreadsheet which I have created recently, so that is why it is visible at the top. And as soon as I select the spreadsheet name, the sheet will be also selected here automatically. And as soon as I filled these two details, the detail, okay, and as soon as I select these two fields, you will notice whatever the columns I have added inside my spreadsheet, the same column names will be fetched up here as the fields. Okay, you can notice the lead name, lead email and the phone number, and the same column lead name, lead email and the phone number. Okay, so now I'm going to provide the details here, and the details will be added here automatically. Now you tell me, from where I'm going to provide these details. Okay, so remember, we have already captured these details, and the interesting thing here is I'm not going to manually copy this data and paste below again and again. I'm going to map this data. Okay, and mapping is very simple. Simply click on this field and you will find the above data here in the drop down. So asking for the lead name, so let me map these lead name. Okay, and in this way I'm going to map other information also in other fields, but you must be thinking that what is this mapping. Okay, so whatever the details I am mapping here, these details will be replaced automatically when our automation will work in real time and in next time. Okay, and whatever the details we are selecting here manually or from the drop down will remain same. Okay, so this is the difference in providing the details manually and in providing the details via mapping, and that is why mapping plays a major role inside this automation. Now finally I will click on this button and a response will be received, and if that response is positive, that means the data has been updated. And here you can notice on the last row, on the 4th number row, the data is updated and it is the same data, the same lead information, demo user 123 at pabblytudes.com, and even the same phone number. Okay, so in this way you can create an automation workflow using Pabbly Connect and automate the process of lead collection instantly and in real time. Yes, you just need to create this workflow inside Pabbly Connect once, and after that you can sit back and relax, because Pabbly Connect will take care of all the task in the back end. You do not have to do anything manually. Okay, and just in case if you want to access this 2-step workflow inside your Pabbly Connect account, I will also attach the link of my workflow into the description box. So simply click on this link and sign up for free into the Pabbly Connect, and then you will be able to access the same 2-step workflow inside your own Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.